So there we are, our Parmesan Brussels sprouts. How simple is that to elevate the good old Brussels sprout into a fantastic side dish. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we are elevating our Brussels sprouts to Parmesan roasted Brussels sprouts. A little bit of Parmesan cheese, a little bit of crustiness on the top of there. Absolutely fantastic. Another way to use your Brussels sprouts. These are already steamed and there's a link on the channel right now if you want to go see how we prepared these sprouts. Oven on or broiler on, 200 degrees, 400 F. We are going to crusty over the top of these, nice and steady. So this is a quick recipe. In there, a couple of tablespoons of olive oil, or you could chuck butter in. That is entirely up to you. A little bit of seasoning. Want to go in there with a little bit of salt. Season to taste as always. A little bit of black pepper. Now I'm going in here with a little bit of Italian seasoning. Just give those sprouts that little bit of a herby oomph. And then we want to be chucking in there a little bit of our Parmesan cheese. We've got some garlic, that's going in there. A little stir up. Fabulous. Now that brings all that together in there. Then we take a suitable tray which you are going to use in the oven and just chuck that lot in there. And the smell already is Italian. We've got that fantastic herb, we've got the Parmesan, the olive oil. They smell divine. Okay, we'll just wait for this oven a little second. Our breadcrumbs in there with some melted butter. Give it a little stir up. And then we'll just let these sit on the side whilst we put those sprouts in the oven for about 7 minutes. That's all. Just put that to one side and let's bob that in the oven. All we're doing now is actually melting the cheese onto those sprouts. Then we're going to bring it back out. We're going to chuck the breadcrumbs on, some more Parmesan. We're going to whack it back in there and we're going to roast them for a little bit longer. Okay, when you've had about 5 minutes or so, take it out, look, just started to melt. So that's going to melt through to the bottom. On there, breadcrumbs. On there, Parmesan cheese. Let's have that melted through there. Tiny bit of black pepper for me. And let's get that back in the oven until it crisps over and browns up to how you like. Okay, there we go. Look at those. Absolutely fantastic. That's how to elevate your sprouts. Come on, let's serve them up. In here. Oh, come on. And you know you can hit it up with just a little bit more Parmesan. And a little bit of chopped parsley. So there we are, our Parmesan Brussels sprouts. How simple is that to elevate the good old Brussels sprout into a fantastic side dish. Come on, we're in. Let's give these sprouts a taste. Amazing. Absolutely. Come on, let's have a bit of crunchy Parmesan. That is how to elevate the Brussels sprout. Come here. That is how to elevate the Brussels sprout into a fantastic side dish. Just amazing. Amazing. That's our Parmesan Brussels sprouts made. If you like what we're doing, don't forget share with your friends. Tell them how easy it is to elevate the Brussels sprouts. And if you do like what we're doing, a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. Catch you in the next video.